Getting the drip tray off a Miele 6000 series isn't that hard, but it's not very obvious. Get the machine on its side, you can see that in other YouTubes, and you need a towel. You need a single torque bit for Miele cases, all of the screws in it. You can see the two screws on the drip plate at the back of the machine. They're easy, so undo those. But the other two screws are a little bit hidden because they're not on the underside, they're hidden behind the kick plate. See other videos for popping out the kick plate, and you'll also have to pull out a shaped piece of foam that I suppose is sound insulation. Then you'll see the two torque screws. The problem is you can't get a power tool or any long screwdriver in there. All you can fit in is the torque bit. But that's okay because you can manipulate it in there with your fingers, and then holding it carefully, use a little spanner. I found that it was, I think, a 4BA, so an old British size, that fitted it, and then you can start undoing it. It's a little time consuming, but out they come, and then you can pop it off.